Along with Kalangut, we also have plans to do Kandolim, Shinkerim and Baga and near Tito's Lane, that beach down. That is handicap friendly, and we have already announced it long back, and we had said that we would make it ready by 30th of October, and because of all the other roads and footpath works which are going on, and beautification of Kalangut beach, Kandolim and Baga work which is going on, this work is still remaining to be completed. So we will, in the next 1 month, we will start work on this, and this is required to be done because handicap friendly beaches is a right. We are not going to do any thing which is something extraordinary. It is a right for these special people or special children, handicapped children, or they are born like this sometimes. So it is their right to go on the beach, and we have to give it to them.